Does lifting weights stunt growth? Everything you need to know. One of the biggest myths about weightlifting is that it stunts your growth. No studies have ever been shown that lifting weights stunts or inhibits growth. Height depends on genetics, growth hormones, nutrition, etc. As far as strength and muscle building is concerned, it depends on other hormone. Since both hormones are different, they have different role in our body and hence cannot affect each other. But, as with any exercise program, if you do too much too soon, physical problems can occur no matter how old the person doing the exercise is. As a teen, you may gradually progress to heavier weights, with lower reps, around 10%. Lifting weights has no effect on your height because of the growth plates and the fact that your spine can compress. People got the idea that weightlifting and high-impact sports could cause you to not grow as much. They're not quite right. There has been no evidence that weightlifting can stop your growth. Not only is the evidence lacking when it comes to the whole growth plate argument, but exercise scientists are in general agreement that resistance training can actually have several benefits for growing children, both athletes and otherwise. 1. Build strength. 2. Reduce the risk of sports-related injuries. 3. Improve motor skills. 4. Improve mental health. 5. Develop healthy habits for later in life. At Sportywitty, our mission is to encourage people of all ages to make physical activity and outdoor sports part of their daily fitness routine. So stay connected, subscribe and press that bell notification to get more updates from us. The origins of weightlifting being a thing that stunted your growth came from a couple of places. Most recently a 1970 study of Japanese child laborers. The children that did work all day ended up shorter than average. The truth behind the stunted growth is, of course, malnutrition. Child laborers worked long hours and didn't make much money, not nearly enough to feed themselves well.
Another reason people used to think weightlifting was bad for children was they didn't develop muscles like you do as an adult. Children don't have enough hormones yet for muscles to develop properly. But what weightlifting can do for them is put stress on the bones, encouraging them to grow as well as help them develop their central nervous system, allowing pathways to be created for them to do more work as they go into adulthood. Recent studies have shown that weightlifting at any young age can help build bones and stave off obesity for children leading into their adulthood. Weightlifting at a young age has also been shown to prevent injuries and osteoporosis into old age. However, now, if you injure yourself while lifting, such that you fracture your growth plates, then yes, you'll stunt your growth. This hindrance can be tamed by training under expert supervision, aka a certified coach. Or, if you are malnourished, then you will stunt your growth. Another interesting fact that contradicts this myth is that lifting weights during your teenage years can rather improve your height instead of stunting it. Now, here is the logic. During that phase, the body is at its peak at producing testosterone and various other growth hormones. Therefore, weight training then could be a boon for the body, both from an appearance standpoint as well as a health perspective. Now, stop believing in this bro science and just let them teenagers move some iron.
What works best for you? Do let us know your comment below, and if you like the content of this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.